if you've done your little combo that we were working on, where you're here, you come in, you do this whole business, then you do this, you come around and you face your audience and you're here. You could do this where you're going bum bum, and then you can go here where you go bum bum, and then you can go here where you go bum bum, and then bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, and then release, and then suddenly you've released your poi, and then you can bring it up into something regular sized again, and that gives you a nice transition into that. We'll do underhand, wrap it up, pop it into the buzzsaw, plane shift it down, go into the corkscrew, start turning to the left, and then you can extend the arms or not, but then you come to your front, then come together. And we can even just do this together here in together time, this tiny together time one. Tap left, up and over, tap right, although you're tapping the opposite way that I am, I'm pretty sure, or maybe not. And then you can come over your head. So tap over your head, and then when you tap over your head, release it to full length poi. And then from here, go into one of the corkscrews, I don't care which one, in full length, and then plane shift it up into your pinwheel. Boosh, you got it. We're underhand, we're gonna wrap it up, make it short, bring it into the buzzsaw, plane shift it down, get it into your counterclockwise corkscrew. Now we're turning with it, with our separation, back together, separation, back together. Come around to the front, bring it together, bring it into together time, tap, up and over, tap, up and over, tap, up and over. Now this time when you tap, come up and over your head, down and tap and release the point to full length, and release the point to full length. And then you're gonna come down and then up into I'm coming into counterclockwise corkscrew here, and then plane shifting it up to the pinwheel. Boosh. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna wrap it up, make it short, bring it into the buzzsaw, plane shift it down, come into your counterclockwise corkscrew. Then we're gonna separate and turn and come back together, and we're turning and we're separating and we're coming back together, then come back together, come into together time, tap on one side, up and over, tap on the other side, up and over, tap on the other side, up and over. Now we're gonna come over the head, release the point to full length, and tap, and up, and tap, and up, and tap, and then come into whichever. So now I'm demonstrating going to the clockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up, get it up to vertical, boosh, and then you can just come down into your weave or whatever to continue flowing.